Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to compete on leaderboards in snake.io. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the snake.io game on a device. From the home screen, tap on the leaderboard icon. Here you'll see the list of top players ranked based on their performance, total scores or wins. To appear on the leaderboard, you need to play in online multiplayer mode. Offline or single-player games don't count towards your ranking. Focus on defeating other snakes and collecting as many orbs as possible in each match to increase your score. The longer you survive and the more snakes you defeat, the higher your rank will go. Try to maintain long win streaks and aim for high points total in every round as they directly affect your leaderboard position. Keep playing regularly since leaderboard rankings update frequently and inactive players often get pushed down. Some leaderboards set weekly or monthly, so make sure to play consistently if you want to stay among the top players. You can also check your current ranking anytime by revisiting the leaderboard page from the home screen. And that's how you can compete on leaderboards in snake.io.